Hi, this is Robert again from thinkvacuums.com with Juan. Today we're going to introduce you to the 2020 model of the newest and greatest central vacuum made today. Not only this central vacuum is probably one of the most powerful, it can do anywhere up to 10,000 square feet, but like conventional central vacuums, all central vacuums pick up dry dirt. This is a newest technology. This vacuum can not only pick up dirt, hair, anything that you normally pick up, but it also can pick up water. So if you ever have the need to unclog a sink, pick up a spill, you can just do it with the central vacuum. It acts as a regular central vacuum, but it picks up wet and dry. It's easy to mount on the wall. It takes the place of your old central vacuum, or if you want to use it, obviously, as a new central vacuum. So if you have a new home, I would definitely introduce you and tell you, look into the new wet-dry central vacuums. It's very state-of-the-art. They use Domel motors, which is the strongest motors in the United States right now. They're made in Europe. These type of motors are all metal. They have a lifetime warranty on the motors. It is not a bag system. This is a bagless system. You cannot put a bag in here, but to use it bagless, it contains water, dirt, whatever you're picking up, and you simply unclamp it, you dump it out and put it right back on. You can wipe out the canister if you like. Remember, lifetime warranty, quiet as can be, and it is the most powerful vacuum for about up to 10,000 square feet. Juan is going to introduce you a little bit more and tell you more about the company, why they introduced this, as well as when you need it, you want to call us. We'll help you through any questions you have. Again, this is a state-of-the-art central vacuum, unlike any vacuum on the market, but we're going to tell you more about it. Juan?
Thank you, Robert. So you're looking at a beautiful, strong system, super powerful, again, super quiet. Drainvac is known for super powerful, super quiet. The European Domel motors, you get 2 motors in this one. Super powerful. You guys can't beat that. Drainvac's been around over 40 years. Company is based in Canada. They only use European Domel motors, so no other off stuff coming from overseas. So no Asian motors, no Asian parts, something like that. Easily it comes on. You can take off your older unit and put up on the wall. 10-15 minutes tops, guys. This is a monster, okay? It is simple. Don't worry about your attachments. All your attachments and your inlets stay the same. Everything will work with it. Why wouldn't you do this? This is incredible. Again, this is something that can last you forever, a lifetime warranty. Robert?
Yes, thank you, Juan. The container holds up to 9 gallons. This will hold up to probably about 5 months of dirt before you just have to simply dump it out. The machine is unbreakable. It's not metal. It's like a football helmet, which the material, you cannot break it. It doesn't scratch. The warranty, again, is 25 years. That means it's unconditional. If anything goes wrong, you just call us and we'll take care of it. Please call us today. Juan will take care of it. I will take care of you. I'll answer any questions for you. I'm the owner. Call us today at 1-800-322-2965 or look at our website at www.thinkvacuums.com. We'll see you again.